Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make Dalgona coffee, also known as whipped coffee. It's very simple to make. I found out how to make it during the pandemic. It was something that was very popular in TikTok. It was a rough time for a lot of us, and we are fans of Starbucks, and many times we weren't able to get our morning coffee fix because a Starbucks was probably closed or the lines were super long, and we needed to find a way how to continue to get our morning fix to keep us going through the day. And we gave it a try, and it's delicious and very simple to make. The ingredients that you need are instant coffee, sugar, milk. I like my coffee iced, and so I have ice. And also, this is something that you can use with any type of instant coffee. I also like my coffee to have a little bit of cinnamon taste, and this is why I use the Café de Olla coffee. Please note that you can use any type of sugar, and you can also use any type of milk. It could be regular milk, lactose-free milk, as you can see on my picture, or oat milk or almond milk. Everything will give it a different flavor, but the idea of the consistency will be fairly similar with whatever your choice is. So let's get started. You will first need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in your mug or in a bowl, or wherever you want to make your coffee. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar added to the coffee. Once you have that, you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Once you have all those 3 ingredients together, you're going to use your whisk and bring those 3 ingredients into a fluff. It's up to you how thick you want your fluff. I like it fairly thick, so it gives my coffee more of a froth. And once you whisk it and you have it all together, you start setting up your mug. Like I said, I like my coffee iced, so I add the ice to my mug, and then I pour my milk. And once I have all those together, I add the consistency that I just made on top of my milk. And then once you have that, you just swirl it around and get your consistency of your coffee. Mix with your milk, and then you just enjoy your coffee. It's super simple and it's delicious. And no need to go to Starbucks. Thank you.